everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with another new video in which I will show you about the sound and speaker problem in your Mi 12 and 12 Pro. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video I will explain how you can solve your sound and speaker problem in Mi 12 and 12 Pro. Like if you are having any issue regarding sound and speaker in your device, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video.